Acorn has been delivering first-class service since 1983. We are one of Europe's largest stockists and authorised distributors of bearings, linear systems, lubrication products, power transmission products and maintenance equipment for many of the world's leading manufacturers.
To prevent any loss of performance, we carefully consider factors such as load and speed to help customers get the right bearing for their application. We can also help with product specifications and customer on-site visits, and carry out audits that support you with total cost of ownership solutions.
I have extensive experience in the power transmission industry and offer customers extra support with their power transmission requirements, from product selection to application guidance. Our team prides themselves on their expertise. We offer an extensive stock list that includes industrial belts, chain, sprockets and pulleys.
My role is to provide all types of lubricants to manufacturers to enable them to ensure optimal performance and longevity for their machinery. We aim to provide customers with the very best lubricant for their application to prevent downtime and detect issues before they occur. The importance of lubrication doesn't just include increasing performance. It also protects components from contamination and dirt. This reassures businesses that they are following all necessary health and safety standards.
Our linear division is the leading UK supplier of world-class linear components. Using our specialist knowledge, we'll make sure you've got the right product for the job, whether it's a straightforward component or a fully automated system. Customers choose Acorn because we're more than just a supplier. We offer a range of services and a level of support that you won't find from anywhere else. We have large stocks of linear bearings as well as guide rails and shafts that we can cut and ship within 24 hours.
Couplings can be overlooked when it comes to maintenance. Choosing the right one can be complex. We've got unmatched experience supplying couplings and making the selection process as easy as possible. We check every detail, alignment, shaft size and torque requirements to guarantee optimal performance. This way you stay ahead and maintain a consistent workflow.
Our vast selection of services has enabled us to grow to 10 branches and one central distribution centre. With over 750 years of specialist experience, Acorn provides solutions for every unforeseen event so you can rest easy.